Dealing with an infant constipation can be pretty stressful, but you're not alone. This is a very common issue, and there are some gentle, safe, and effective things that you can do at home to help your little one find relief. So let's talk about it. Hi, today we're discussing all things related to infant constipation. If you're new here, welcome. We would love to have you join our family and subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into it. What is infant constipation? Well, it's when your baby isn't having regular bowel movements, usually 3 or more days in a row. It could also be when your baby is having hard, dry stools that are difficult to pass. Or maybe your baby is straining, crying, and really struggling to have a bowel movement. Any of these scenarios sound familiar? Maybe you're going through this right now with your infant. Don't worry, mama. We're going to get you through this. The good news is that most cases of infant constipation are actually pretty easy to treat because there are many common causes. For instance, constipation can be caused by being on the formula, not getting enough water, not eating enough fiber, or having an infrequent feeding schedule. But since we aren't medical professionals, we'll leave the diagnosis and treatment of underlying conditions to the experts. So what can you do to help your baby with constipation? Try these gentle remedies. First, tummy time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't tummy time only for strengthening those neck and shoulder muscles? Well, yes, but it can also help stimulate bowel movements. Start with just a few minutes of tummy time each day and gradually work up to 10 to 15 minutes. You can even try doing this while your baby is having a bottle or a breastfeed. Next, leg bicycles. Lay your baby on their back and lift their legs up so their knees are bent and their feet are dangling. Move their legs in a circular motion, just like they're riding a bike. This will help massage their belly and promote digestion. A warm bath can also work wonders for soothing a baby's aching belly and relaxing their muscles. Add a few drops of warm water to a washcloth and apply gentle pressure to your baby's stomach in a circular motion. You can also encourage your baby to drink more fluids if they're old enough for water or juice. And if your baby is on solids, offer them more of the pea fruits, prunes, pears, and peaches. These fruits are high in fiber and water and can really help soften up those hard stools. But when should you worry about constipation? Well, if you notice any blood in your baby's stool, if they refuse to eat or drink, if they have severe abdominal pain, or if the constipation lasts for more than a few days, it's time to give your pediatrician a call. We've made it to the end of this video, and I know you're feeling like a pro at dealing with infant constipation. Just remember all the tips and tricks that we've shared with you today. Be patient with yourself and your baby, and you'll get through this. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and please don't forget to share it with other parents who might benefit from these tips. And of course, we'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel for more great parenting tips. We'll see you next time.